Welcome back to Mac's Garage. Today I'm going to show you a little tip on installing a clutch pressure plate. I've definitely seen people struggle with this even on like TV shows and stuff. And what it's going to do is allow the transmission to more smoothly enter the clutch so you don't generally have to fight with it while you're trying to line everything up. So we'll bring the camera in here and I'll kind of show you what's going on. This is obviously a used clutch that's being reinstalled, but we've got the alignment tool that comes with the clutch, and even if you've got like the fancy ones, they kind of do the same thing. Now if you look down inside of here, here's the pressure plate, and it's free to move. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that or not, but it moves quite a bit inside of here. So what happens is if you just drop this in and leave it, if you just drop that in there and tighten everything up like most people do, this pressure plate is actually low. So when you put your input shaft into here, it doesn't quite engage the pilot bearing properly. So what I'm going to do is I've got these loose, obviously, because I can still move the pressure plate around. And when I go to snug these up, I'm just going to take my finger, push all the way up, all the way down, and find about the middle. Because gravity is the only thing that's making this not center up. So side to side is usually not an issue. So once I've got that set up, I just go around. I'm not tightening anything down real aggressive. So I'm going in stages. Like this one still hasn't even bottomed out, the one I started on yet. But we'll just snug this down around in a nice even pattern to pull the pressure plate into the flywheel. And as always, make sure you lock, tight, and torque these bolts. Anything that spins, you want to do that too. But yeah, I think that's about it. So then when you go to slide the transmission in, it should just smoothly engage into the flywheel. Thanks for watching. As always, hit that subscribe, like, share, comment, all the things that help the algorithm out. And I'll see you later.